Hi everyone, welcome to part 36 of Design Tutorial series. Today we are going to be continuing with the creating of conduit for the power supply system. This is part 2 of that as well. We've been able to connect all the power circuits for all the sockets around this part of the office. So today we are going to be concentrating this. Alright. So let's continue with the conduit and we'll say that we're going to be combining four sockets to one circuit. Alright. So from here, remember the elevation of our socket is at 400 from the ground. So from here I'm going to click here, continue like that. Alright. And then all the way it goes on the wall, connect these other two guys. So please try as much as possible for it not to snap to, no, it will return it to 0. Okay. So at this point here, I want us to, okay, contd, let's just put the box there. Normally we're supposed to have like a knockout box, but we'll make do with the options that is there. Alright, so at this point, we're going to raise it up to, take it to a height of 4,000, where we have this soffit of the slab, then to our dB. Alright, so then we'll take it to the dB. I'm going to stop it here and arrange this very one. I want them to be very close. I'm going to move it a little bit high to this point. Perfect. Then while I'm going to move this a little bit away. Okay. So I'll continue by clicking the triangular sign. Click on the arrow there. And here we have it. From here, it's going down to 1.2 meters. So we have the height of the dB. And very good. Alright, so I will delete the extra portion of this particular line here, and also move this to go closer to this particular line here. Okay, we are good. So we've been able to connect the various receptacle for this particular office. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 2 in the kitchen and 2 in the lounge. Alright, so let's click on conduit to create the conduit. So it's at elevation of 1.2. Make sure you change it to 400, where we have the, so 400 rather. Pardon. 400. So I'm going to from here. Make sure you go close so that it doesn't. Okay. Alright. So it goes all the way. So from here I'm going to take it to a height of 4 meters. So it goes like that, like that, like that. Change it to 1.2 meters. Okay, so it goes down. Control Z. Okay, so I'll trim off this extra portion of the pipe. And also I'll move this conduit very close here. So remember that we only have two particular receptor connected to this last circuit we just drawn. So let's connect these two to that particular circuit. Alright, or let's create a separate circuit for the kitchen. Alright, so go to Conduit, change it to 400. You have the position of the circuit. So we okay, we'll draw them all the way. So it will come from ground, right? So it's coming from all the way from down to a height of 1.2. Okay, so I'm going to draw to allow me to be able to delete the ones I don't need. So I'm going to click on this and delete. So if you notice, so this goes like this all the way and travels upwards where we have the dB. So at the moment we've been able to connect all the power circuits to the dB. So at for the ends here, from next week we are going to be connecting the conduit for the power supply to the HVAC system. Alright, okay. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Also subscribe so that you'll be the first to be notified when a new video comes up. Alright, see you in the next.